Hello guys, so in this video I'll be teaching you how to install your EA and adding it to your chart. So let's go. So first off, you want to download your EA from the source, either from a developer or from a freelancer or whatever your source is. I already have mine downloaded and it is in my download folder, right? So now the next thing you want to do is that you want to move your EA to your data folder. You go to file, open data folder, then a window will pop up, then you select MT5, then you select expert, then you either copy this or you drag and drop into this folder. So try not to drag and drop into any of this folder, just the main folder. Then you close. Now the next thing you need to do is you need your navigator. So how do you get your navigator? So you can easily go to view, then you select navigator. So in the case where you have the navigator already, so all you need to do is right click. So let's see if I can find that. Yes, I can't. In the case where you have your navigator already, you won't need to go for navigator, else you'll be deactivating it in the case where you go back there. So all you need to do is, in case where you have your navigator, just keep that. If you don't have a navigator, then do this. Now you see my navigator has appeared. Now the next thing to do is click on any of the options, then right click, then click on refresh. Expand this part since we are dealing with an EA, so we are interested in this. Then you will find your EA here. So in the case where the developer or the owner or your strategy is based on a particular symbol, so all you need to do is bring up the symbols chart on your trading chart, right? So now I'm going for gold. Currently I don't have gold here, so what I would do is I would like to add it, right? So I will say XUSD, this is gold. Now all I need to do is right click, chart window. Now I have my gold. So let's assume there's a particular time frame you wish to trade on, right? So you can either get the time frame here, but not all my time frame are showing, so I can either drag and drop my time frame so that I will have my options here, but I don't like it like this, so I can easily navigate, right? So this is one way. So the other way is to right click on the chart, then go for time frame. Then you can see I have my options. So you can see I have my options here. Then I will go for 5 minutes. That is what I want. I don't like this grid. I can remove this. Here you go. So that's that. So I need to apply my EA on the chart, right? So all I need to do is double click on this EA, which is the EA of interest, or click and drag it on the chart. So when you click and drag, you will have this box pop up. So you can either expand the box, or reduce it. One thing you should make sure is that you have this allow algo trading on. Make sure it is activated. Then go for inputs, change the setting to whatever setting you want. Let's assume the developer or the strategy requires you to trade with 0.1 based on 1 per 1000, whatever the EA is all about. Then this is where you change the setting. Also, in the case where you were given a set file, so if you want to add the set file to the EA, all you need to do is click on load, then locate the set file. Let's assume you downloaded the set file along with the EA, so that means it should be in the download folder. And in the case where it comes as a compressed file, maybe a zip file or a RAR file, so you must have extracted those files, and wherever you extracted it to, go and pick it up there. Select the set file, then click on open. Currently don't have a set file, which is why I won't be adding a set file. After that, click on OK. So now another thing you want to make sure is that you have this algo trading turned on. Then in the case where you don't have the algo trading turned on, what happens? You will have this from blue to gray. Currently I'm having blue, right? So in the case where you don't have this turned on, let's say I turn it off, you can see now it is gray. So you have to make sure it is turned on. Also, as I mentioned, you have to make sure that this is also turned on. So let's assume I don't have it turned on, maybe I forget. Then you can see it is now gray, even if this is turned on. So they both have to be turned on. So let me turn this back on. Yes. So that's that on how to install your EA on your chart. I'll see you on the next one.